This is where I come to get a stove for the bus. Yeah, we're getting a stove today. Having some fun. Last night I was just flicking around on Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace and basically just searching everywhere possible for stoves and fridges and like anything we can use for the school bus build. I searched RV parts on Craigslist, and this guy north of Nashville in Springfield, Tennessee brought me out here, the middle of nowhere. He had some RV parts for sale. I was really interested in the stove. He posted it for like 150 bucks. Called him up and I kind of asked him a dumb question. Hey, how much would you take for the stove? Even though that he posted it for 150 bucks. Like, I don't know, like 100 bucks. I'm like, done. RV stove, propane, oven stove, 3-burner. I was like, I'm coming to get it tomorrow. Took out the passenger seat to the Miata, jumped in it, came up here. Come to find out, he has a bunch of different RV parts. Needless to say, current situation with the Miata, guess who got us an AC unit? We've also got the oven in there. Super pumped. I wasn't sure if we were gonna be able to get one of these. I was hoping we'd be able to find one of those. Both of these things, propane oven and the AC unit, $250. I'm super excited, a little sketched out because that thing is like a huge drag on the Miata. AC unit strapped to the roll bar, got the stove in the passenger seat. Things are happening, things are happening. I'm pretty excited about this. Emily doesn't even know we've got this coming yet, so I really hope it works. Really, really hope it works. This middle of nowhere is quite peaceful. What a long trip. Definitely worth it though. I mean, $250 for AC and an oven. We just got our household appliances for less than 300 bucks. Super pumped. Emily doesn't know that we've got this, so I told her I've got a little bit of a surprise. I don't know if she's gonna know what it is, but we'll find out. I think you're gonna enjoy it. As long as it works, it'll make living in an RV quite the convenience.
What is it?
See, I told you she wasn't gonna know what it is.
Wait, give me a chance. Duotherm. What is it? The AC? Yeah?
Yeah.
Ooh.
I think it's, I've got to look it up, but I'm pretty sure it's 15,000 BTU.
Okay, what is that?
So I don't know what it stands for, but it's basically like the measurements of how big the AC unit is. So
God bless you.
that thing will make this thing a lot more comfortable.
It's not as ugly. Say yay!
They had that one, which is all black. They had a black one with a white top. I was like, it's just too all black. And I was like, maybe we could paint it or clean it up.
Right, yeah. Good job.
Guy at the other RV place, he wanted 250 bucks for just an oven. And they're like the same ones. And then he wanted $350 for his AC unit.
And you got both things for $250?
Yep. So as long as they both work, then it'll be a steal. But I do need your help getting this thing off.
Okay.
Household appliances.
It's actually pretty clean.
So now that I got the errands out of the way, I'm gonna focus on some of these wires. There is a bunch of them. There's wires everywhere. Literally, it's probably close to like 50 pounds worth of wires I'm hoping to get rid of. And for me, I'm gonna use, I've got Sharpies, tape, pliers, and a screwdriver. I'm gonna try to like mark as many of these wires as possible. That way they all kind of match up, and label them with everything that I know that they go to. And then all the stuff that's extra, like the actual bus lights, I'll probably just cut out because I'm not gonna use them anyways. That'll be the most simplistic, and let's clean up some of these wires. This thing starts. I've got a bunch of stuff. It should start. All the lights are working. Wait to start. Good to go. Yes! Was I concerned that I broke it? Heck yes, I was concerned that I broke it. I'm pretty sure I hooked all this up right. Nothing is disconnected. So, blinker works, brake light works, running lights work, corner light works. Oh man, I did not break the bus. I did not break the bus. Side blinker works, blinkers, headlight works, blinker, headlight works. Oh man, so happy I didn't break the bus. All the hazards are taken off, so I think I'm good on the lights. I think everything works like it's supposed to. Everything doesn't work like it's supposed to. Like I said, the only part I'm actually concerned about is the blinkers, but those didn't work when I got it. I mean, they work now. The blinker doesn't work. I don't know. There we go. Give it a little wiggle. Give it a little wiggle. How did it work? Ah, so happy. So all in all, I'm pretty happy with how the whole thing went. I'm trying this segment of like things I wish I knew. I think the easiest way to get rid of as many wires as possible is literally just trace them all the way through. So I started with the most thin part of the bus, which was the passenger far front right here. And if I didn't want that accessory or that light or speaker or whatever, then I just snipped it and started pulling them back. Very tedious, very long, considering how many wires there were and how many wires there are, but that's just the most simplistic way. Now I didn't have to splice anything, I didn't have to cut anything, everything was already wired accordingly. There were a couple times where there would be two grounds running into one connector, and I would just snip one of those grounds and get rid of that wire. Yeah, I think it was just tracing everything around, pulling it out through the tape. I'm gonna come back with the original plastic and just cover up all the wires, label them a little bit more as far as if this is brake lights, if this is blinkers, if this is running lights, dome lights, speakers, whatever, and just kind of go from there, because like I said, I think that's just going to be the easiest thing for the future, especially with adding things to this bus and so on and so forth. So appreciate you guys following along. Like it if you like it, dislike it if you don't like it, and if you could subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Definitely helps us out. And then share it with anybody you know that might be interested in the school bus conversion. It's not just about minimalism or doing a tiny house or all those trendy things, but it's about freedom and giving you the ability to do what you want when you want, because you can. And this school bus is going to open up a whole lot of freedom for us and let us live the lives that we want to live, which is the most important. So excited to continue to share with you guys. Appreciate you following along. We've got our first little visitor. Scared the crap out of me. I didn't expect it to be there when I was just walking over here. Completely hanging out. This is the closest I've ever been to a squirrel. What the what?